What is he saying? Now this is a verse from the Quran. These are the muteşabih, ambiguous verses that ruined the Salafis. However, there was no need to strain the mind so much. The scholars of the Ahl al-Sunnah have declared it beautifully. Sahaba kiram, Tabi'ism have declared these things. Why are you bothering your mind with verses here? Read tafsir. No, he does not read tafsir. He says he will write tafsir. Well, you have written it, and while you were writing it, you ruined it. For example, what does it say? Now, say means came, Rabbuke means your Allah. Allah is the Lord of our man. The angels have also come. Now the angels have come, we get it. Angels are not exempt from transition. Angels are also constantly going up and down. Angels descend, he says, on the night of Qadr. Now you are talking about the angels descending. Do you need any explanation? No, it does not, because it is created. It is not exempt from descent. But now when you look at the word nuzul in Allah Ta'ala, you say the angel came down. Say came down. Rabbuk, your Allah has come. Wal meleku, the angel has come. Well then, as the angel came, Mawla has come, hasha. Did Mawla descend as the angels descended, hasha? Hasha. Then there is no double. Just as you equate the coming of an angel with the coming of Allah, if you put the descent of an angel and the descent of Allah, what did the heretic Ibn Taymiyyah say? From the pulpit of the mosque in Damascus, he went down a staircase from the sermon. You call it a sermon, of course. It is not called a sermon, of course. It should be called a pulpit. A sermon means making a speech. Then he goes down one step from the pulpit. He says, Allah says this one descends the way I descended. So what is this? I thought it was unprecedented. I thought it had no equal. It was not like any other creature. What have you ruined now? Is this a belief? As I descend, as the angel descends, your Allah will come and the angel will come, but now you. There, for example, Ibn Abd al-Bar, one of the leading scholars of the Ahl al-Sunnah, one of the Maliki scholars. Of course, these are famous names. They lived 1,000 years ago. He has written works. One of the great scholars of Andalusia, for example, declares this point in one of his works. He says, I am now explaining the munazeh from transition with an example. What does transition means? Movement and going and coming, moving from one place to another, transferring. For example, in this verse, the 22nd verse of Surah Al-Fajr, this adjective means to come in Turkish, to come. The Turkish word means coming. This expression is attributed to Allah, but now look how well the ulama explain this. Now you are not going to be Al-Qaeda, ISIS, I don't know, Tahrir al-Sham, I don't know. Salafis say Allah descends and ascends. Hasha, are you ignorant? Are you a pagan? What are you doing? These ulama are here. They have explained this verse to you, what it says. Does Allah have the attribute of Maji? Yes. This attribute of Maji in the judgment, will it be manifested? It will. Just like the attribute of descending to the first layer of heaven will be manifested again on this night. Since it happens every night according to the hadith. But what is this not? It is not movement. But that of the angels is movement. Mawla's is not movement. It is not zaval. What does zaval mean? It is this. Now I am here, now I am here, now I have a seat over there. There is a seat turning towards the Qibla. When I move to that place, it becomes zival. From where? It zavels from here, I disappear from here, so I cannot be in two places at the same time. I disappear from here, I disappear, and I move there. I just came here from there, now it's zavel from there, now intikal is here. Now, does Allah have the attribute majihi? Yes, but this attribute does not consist of zaval. It is movement and passing away. What is movement for when you get up from there? When you move, you're disappearing. You are no longer there. You are stable at the point where you have arrived. Do you understand? There is no such thing in Mawla. There is no movement, no zaval, no intikal. There is maji, but what meaning can you give to it? It came here from there, it went here from there. You cannot give this meaning hasha hasha, okay? This is movement, zaval, intikal, subut. It moved from there to here. It disappeared from there and became stable here and so on. When it can be understood, it is realized. The K that comes is the K of angels. He says the angels have come. He says they are lined up in rows. This K is the angels. The angels are also in Zival. Why? Where were they before? They were in the heavens. In the judgment, the heavens will explode. When the sky explodes, they have no place. When they have no place, they cling to the corners of the sky. After that, they came from there and the judgment is being formed. When the judgment comes, he says that the angels came and lined up in rows and rows. There is nothing to understand this. Is there movement here? There is. Is there Zaval? Yes. Why? The heavens have already disappeared. The sky is gone. The heavens will be exploded 7 times with a white cloud, and then they will fall on top of each other and explode 6 times more. Since the angels had no more space, the angels descended. When they come down from the sky, it is the end of time. If you say now that Allah is in the sky, hasha. Where did Allah go when the sky exploded? Hasha. Allah, come and see now. The misbeliefs in their beliefs, where do their corrupt ideas lead? The angel was left without a place and came to the hereafter, so Mawla also came to the hereafter, hasha. Okay, Mawla has the attribute of majih, but not in the sense of coming. I mean, there is no place left in the sky. the place was broken, the arch was his throne, hasha, his throne collapsed, hasha, and he came to judgment, hasha. Now whoever gives this meaning to this verse cannot be called a Muslim. They cannot be called Muslims. But they give this meaning. This is not the way, my friend, you say there is the attribute of Maji. You say there is no arbitrariness. You say that he is free from form. You say that he is free from space. You say that he is free from imperfection. You say it is free from need. You say it has no equal. It is not like that of an angel, nor like this, nor like that. This is the belief of the Salaf. If you want to say according to the successor, the easiest way is this. It means that his command, his judgment, his decree, his accident is manifested. You say there is no mechi with its essence. So this is what our nation understands at the moment. Here the things of the Salafian successors are not contradictory. Tawfiqi is possible, so it is not arbitrary there now either. Here too, he does not give arbitrariness because his decree already comes. He already explains this in the verse. For example, in the other verse he says, there he attributes the attribute of Majid to Mawla. In that attribution we do not translate, but we translate Etta Emrullahi. Why? Allah's command has come, His command comes, His decree comes, His judgment comes. Do you understand? It comes through angels, it comes through Gabriel, it comes through a messenger, it comes through a prophet, it comes through a revelation. Orders come. In the end, Gabriel alayhi salam is the one who brings, and the one who brings is already subject to zeval and intiqal. Angels go from there, get up from there, and come here. Now, spiritual things are a different case. Can Gabriel alayhi salam be on the throne at the same time and bring a revelation in Medina at the same time? He can. Even a veli can appear in 40 places as a result of a disposition given to his spirituality. An angel can appear in 40 places. Since Azrael alayhi salam takes millions of lives at once, it is possible to understand them, since it took them all at the same time.